In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Bluetooth audio cutting out here within Windows. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you're trying to fix your Bluetooth audio here in Windows, saying like it's cutting out, here's some fixes that I definitely recommend trying. The first thing you're going to want to do is repair the device. You can actually do this by opening up the sound settings by right-clicking on the sound icon down in the bottom right corner of your screen and then selecting the sound settings option. After doing so, go to the Bluetooth section in this left-hand menu right here and then click on the devices option here. Now you're going to see a bunch of devices in here. You're going to have the Bluetooth ones up at the very top, and then you're going to have your other devices that may be wired. Go ahead and essentially select whatever one you're trying to remove and then hit remove device on it. And then essentially just go ahead and reconnect it and check to see if that issue is resolved. Now, if it didn't go ahead and resolve it, don't worry. Go ahead and click on the search icon down here and type in device manager, just like so, and open up this option. What you're going to want to do now is select Bluetooth here and then find your Bluetooth adapter. It'll say Bluetooth adapter most of the times on it, so go ahead and find that, select it just like so, and then go ahead and right click it and hit uninstall device. You are going to have to confirm it by hitting uninstall again, and then you may also need to restart your PC if prompted. But once you do uninstall it, it should automatically start reinstalling once you do get that PC restarted. Now, if your computer did come with a Bluetooth antenna as well, make sure it's attached. But after doing all of those, just test again to confirm that problem is fixed, and you should be good to go. Before you guys leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. Comment down below if you need any more help and we can help you out further. But have a great rest of your day. Peace.